is Ravi Singh over here. I have come here once again with airstrike practice set. Guys, without wasting your time, let's start now. You are just looking on your mobile screen. First question, select the correct word. They worked hard lest they fill in the blanks in the examination. You know, should fail will be used because lest follows should. So right answer will be C. Option number C, should fail. They worked hard lest they should fail in the examination. वे कड़ी मेहनत करते थे कि वे परीक्षा में विफल ना हो जाए. ओके. नंबर 2, आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट प्रीपोजिशन. यहाँ प्रीपोजिशन चूज करना है आपको. I shall proceed, fill in the blanks, him. So against, first option against, it will be right. Against preposition will be used because proceed against somebody. That's the Hindi meaning. मैं उसके विरुद्ध आगे बढ़ूंगा. Number 3, the correct spelled word is medicine. So MEDICINE, medicine, correct. Right option will be A. Option number A. Number 4, fill in the blanks with correct article. It is, fill in the blanks, unit of measurement. So right answer will be option number B. It is a unit of measurement. You know, article A will used because the word unit is started by vowels letters but its sound U is consonant. Number 5, identify the antonym of given word. Compliant. 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 Compliant, that's the Hindi meaning. आज्ञाकारी, मुलायम. So opposite meaning finding here. First option defective, and second adamant, third elementary, and appreciative. So right answer will be option number B, adamant. ADAMANT, adamant, सख्त, अड़ियल, कठोर. Number 6, give one word substitute. A man having no hair on the scalp. So right answer will be bald. Option number D, bald, BALD, bald means ganja. Number 7, the act or practice of walking in a sleep. So right answer will be option number A, somnambulism, नींद में चलना, निंद्राचार. SOMNAMBULISM, somnambulism. Okay. Number 8, identify the correct choice. Ravi had to drop his plan of going to picnic as he had certain fill in the blanks to meet during the period. So right answer will be option number D, commitments. From this sentence it is clear that the suitable word should be commitments. Ravi had to drop his plan of going to picnic as he had certain commitment to meet during the period. रवि को पिकनिक जाने के लिए अपनी प्लान ड्रॉप करना पड़ा, छोड़ना पड़ा, क्योंकि इस पीरियड में, इस घड़ी में कुछ कमिटमेंट्स, प्रतिबद्धताओं, वचनबद्धता को पूरा करना था. नंबर 9, आइडेंटिफाई द सिनोनिम ऑफ गिवन वर्ड. बार्टर, अदला बदला, क्रम विनिमय. शो द सेम मीनिंग वर्ड फ्रॉम द ऑप्शन इज एक्सचेंज. राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी, एक्सचेंज, अदला बदली करना, क्रम विनिमय. नंबर 10, fill in the blanks with suitable conjunction. No sooner did the students see the teachers, fill in the blanks, they started running to their classroom. Here the than conjunction will be used because no sooner follows than. You know, so right answer will be option number D, than. No sooner did the students see the teacher than they started running to their classroom. जल्दी ही स्टूडेंट ने टीचर को देखते अपने क्लासरूम में जाना स्टार्ट कर दिया. It's very simple. Number 11, form an adjective from the given word advice. You know, advice is a noun, its adjective will be advisable. So right answer will be D, option number D, ADVISABLE, advisable. Number 12, give the plural of given word. Analysis, 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 विश्लेषण. So the plural form of analysis is option number B, right answer, ANALYSES. Okay. Number 13, fill in the blank with suitable word. The prizes were fill in the blanks away by the mayor of the city. So right answer will be option number B, given. The prizes were given away by the mayor of the city. शहर के मेयर महापौर द्वारा प्राइजेस दिए गए थे, पुरस्कार दिए गए थे. ओके. Number 14. Identify the incorrect part. You know, they left their luggage at the railway station. No error. So you know that in option number B, part of the sentence, in place of luggage, luggage will be used because luggage is always used in singular form. So right answer will be B, option number B, their luggage. Number 15. Items and phrases. Identify the meaning of given items and phrases. Items to smell a rat means to suspect a trick, which is in B option. So right answer will be B, option number B. Number 16. Identify the indirect speech narration. First questions. He said to them, fill in the blanks, don't make a noise. So indirect speech, just explain. Since it is an imperative sentence, therefore, so right answer will be option number D. He asked them not to make a noise. Said to will be changed into asked, and in place of inverted comma not to will be used because negative imperative is given. So okay. Number 17. Change the voice. I know him. Yes, I just explained these questions. Since it is a simple present tense, therefore is, am, are and verb third form will be used. Also no followed to, it is not followed by. So right answer will be he is known to me. Okay, option number D, he is known to me. Okay. And number 18. My friends, you will have to read this passage for 18 to 20 questions. Most of use of the product of science, railways, aeroplanes, electricity, wireless and thousands of other without thinking how they came into existence. So read this passage yourself. I hope you completed this passage yourself. So now number 18, which one of the following statement is true? So this passage clearly indicates that the engine driver cannot be compared to the Plato and the Socrates. So hence option D is your answer. Number 19. In this passage, the author mentioned Plato and the Socrates to emphasize that. So right answer will be option number B. From the passage sentence, 8 clear indicates option B. So right answer will be B, option number B. Next and last, number 20. According to the author, the present age is far more advanced than. So the sense of passage is option A, all the precious age in the some respects. So right answer will be A, option A. Okay, finally we have completed air strike practice set. I hope you like and enjoy this video with me. So thanks for watching this video.